Hello. Um, what we did on Friday was exercise 3, exercise 4, and something else. So we talked about Baram Shara, the will. We talked about will and how will is used with expressions like I think, I believe, I hope, I'm sure. Um, and it's used for instant decisions. The phone is ringing, I'll answer it. Future predictions, for example, I think my team will win. For example, in 2030, we will live on the moon. And then going to, where is it? Going to is used to, for example, make plans. Yeah, we're going to travel to Moscow next summer. Sure plans. We have the tickets. Yeah. And also to um, describe the future, to make predictions that we are sure of. For example, look at the black clouds, it's going to rain. La diferència entre es will i es going to. Amb es going to, per els plans, per exemple, i per les prediccions del futur, estem segurs. És a dir, a les prediccions tenim algun tipus de prova. Per exemple, el cel està ple de nígols, que són de pluja, i deim, pues, plourà. It's going to rain. Si no hi ha nígols, si no hem sentit enlloc que plourà, però per algun motiu deim, crec que plourà. I think it will rain. Això és I think, perquè no tenim cap prova. Will. Però si tenim proves és going to. També, per exemple, si hi ha un forat i no l'hem vist, hi ha una persona que està anant cap al forat, li poden dir you are going to fall, cauràs, you are going to fall, perquè ja has forat. D'acord? I un pla. Els plans, pues, per exemple, we are going to travel to Moscow next summer. Viatjarem a Moscou l'estiu que ve. Això vol dir que estem segurs, que tenim els bitllets, segurament, que hem començat a organitzar el viatge, d'acord? Si fos un pla instantani, per exemple, m'he enterat ara fa 2 minuts que vull esperar una festa i jo dic, pues jo vendré, això és amb el will, d'acord? El will, recordam, era el subjecte will, infinitiu, el negatiu era I will not més infinitiu o I won't més infinitiu, l'interrogatiu era will, subjecte infinitiu. Molt fàcil. És going to també és molt fàcil perquè el verb també està en infinitiu, però el que ens canvia és el verb to be. Tenim subjecte, she, verb to be, is, going to, infinitiu, travel. Que a totes les persones és diferent. Per tant, per exemple, it's going to rain. We are going to travel. I am going to dance. You are going to travel to Rome. They are going to put on a costume. I van fer els tres, que era correct form of will or be going to. In the year 2050, a tin of sardines will cost, en predicció del futur, will cost. We think, Rafael Nadal will beat Federer, because we think, we don't know. He is going to save some money every week to buy a car, és un pla fet, cada setmana estalviarà per comprar-se un cotxe. I'm sure my brother will become, I'm sure I'm will, so my brother will become, se convertirà. This evening we are going to play football, és un pla, we are going to play football outside. My aunt is abroad, so I am not going to visit her next week. També és un pla perquè sabem que no hi és. Segur, d'acord? I no l'anirem a veure. We're going to make dinner because we're hungry. I hope and will my parents will give me a digital camera for my birthday. They are going to invite some people to the party, and he isn't going to like the greatest hit because he doesn't like romantic comedies. We're sure of it. I després d'aquest era corregir les que estaven malament i que estan bé. I think my football team wins the competition. Aquí ha de ser will win, d'acord? En lloc de wins. He's decided that he going to become a dentist. Falta is, he is going to become a dentist. I always will be your best friend. Always hauria d'anar entre will i be. I will always be your best friend. Will to have organized a congress. As tu Vadargas have will have to organize a congress. He knows he's going to celebrate the party tonight. He isn't going to celebrate the party tonight. You going to take the train or the bus? This is a question. So, are you going to take the train or the bus? She won't know what to do. Correct. Mark and Simon's going to go to the theater later. Mark and Simon are going to go to the theater later. Two people, they are. I'm not going to go to the formal dinner. Correct. And you will be at the office at 7 o'clock. It's a question. So will you be at the office at 7 o'clock? And then we did this one, which was with Will. He won't get much money for it. It's very old. Don't worry, you will pass easily. Yes, but you will wear it a lot. That's good. You will feel much healthier. Oh no, he will be very angry, really angry. The coffee won't or will not be very good. He won't understand anything. Great, we won't have the exam. Lucky you, you will love the people and the scenery. He will lose it just like the other two, and she will get a good job, I'm sure. Después era, sus frases juntas. The meeting starts at 2:30. Yes, I'm sure it will be very boring. John is going to see a film in French tonight. H. He won't understand anything. There's a new drinks machine in the office. The coffee won't be very good. The teacher isn't going to be here today. Great, we won't have the exam. I. My brother is going to sell his car. He won't get much money for it. It's very old. A. I've started going swimming every day, and that's E. That's good. You will feel much healthier. Esther's going to buy another phone. Okay, she will lose it just like the other two. My daughter has a degree in IT. She will get a good job, I'm sure of it. My new coat was really expensive. D, yes, but you will wear it a lot. I don't believe it. I've broken my brother's laptop. Oh no, he will be very angry. F. I'm taking my driving test tomorrow. And that is. Oh, where is it? Okay, C, don't worry, you will pass easily. And 11, I'm taking 12, we're going to Brazil next month. Lucky you, Jay, you will love the people and the scenery. And that's it. That's everything we did on Friday. So see you tomorrow. Bye.